A rapidly growing India is ensuring all-round development and prosperity, thereby transforming lives and promising a golden future. Each day, India is scaling new heights like never before. As we celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav this year, we mark the successful achievement of a vision that is shaping a tomorrow filled with growth and prosperity, energizing the hopes and dreams of 1.3 billion Indians. Ministry of Power, Government of India embarked on one such remarkable journey to establish one nation, one grid, one frequency, culminating into one electricity market.
एक इलाके में बिजली रहती थी, कोई लेने वाला नहीं था, और दूसरा इलाका बिजली के लिए तड़पता था, अंधेरे में जीता था, कारखाने बंद हो जाते थे। और उसको बदलाव लाने के लिए वन नेशन, वन ग्रिड, वन प्राइस, उसमें हमने सफलता पाई है। और बहुत तेजी से, जो कभी गर्मी में 10 रुपया यूनिट का दाम देना पड़ता था, मैं पिछले दिनों तेलंगाना गया था, उस दिन 1 रुपया 10 पैसा दाम था, जो कभी 10 रुपया हुआ करता था। ये वन प्राइस का परिणाम देश को जोड़ने के लिए काम होता है।
State electricity grids were interconnected to form 5 regional grids, namely Northern, Eastern, Western, Northeastern and Southern regions. Grid management was being done on a regional basis since the 60s. The Government of India entrusted Power Grid to take on the formidable task of phase-wise unification of all regional grids. The extraordinary journey of formation of one national grid was finally achieved with the commissioning of 765 kV Raichur-Solapur transmission line.
Today, as we celebrate the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we also celebrate the anniversary of connecting our whole country into one grid running on one frequency, thus transforming our grid into one of the largest grids in the world. In February 19, we connected Leh Ladakh. That was the last part which was unconnected in our country. It was a huge challenge to bring all the regions together on a single frequency. But we did it. We added 1,49,000 circuit kilometers of transmission lines. The inter-regional power exchange has helped in meeting the demand in energy deficit regions. Now power can be transferred from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Guwahati and vice versa. Our inter-regional transfer capacity is now 1,12,000 megawatts. That means we can transfer 1,12,000 megawatts from one part of the country to another. This ensures the efficient utilization of resources and reduction in the cost of electricity to the common man, bringing economy and reliability in the power sector. In fact, we have established cross-border linkages of our national grid with neighboring countries of Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan. This enables us to exchange power as well as also enables the efficient utilization of our generation assets. So come, let us celebrate one of the largest unified grids in the world, the Indian grid, the national grid. Congratulations to all the Indians, all the engineers who made it possible.
Power Grid's relentless efforts have created the national grid, making it one of the largest synchronous grids of the world.
Integration of our 5 regional electricity grids into one national grid has been one of the major achievements in power sector. Today we have one of the world's largest one single grid running on one frequency. This achievement has enabled India's energy security in a significant manner, as well as it has brought a new era for development of electricity markets in India.
The national grid is a high voltage integrated transmission network, an electric superhighway through which power flows across the length and breadth of the country. Meeting challenges has always been a way of life at Power Grid.
Power Grid is proud to have facilitated creation of one nation, one grid, one frequency in the country and in establishing one of the largest synchronous electricity grids in the world. We are continuously upgrading the grid, adopting higher voltage levels and new technologies such as the plus-minus 800 kV conventional HVDC, plus-minus 320 kV VSC based HVDC, flexible AC transmission systems to provide a strong platform for the integration of renewable power, development of electricity markets, and ultimately provide cheaper power to the consumers.
With seamless transmission of power, the national grid contributes in driving the economy of India along with a host of other benefits. Energy generated in power surplus areas can now be transferred to energy deficit areas as it facilitates better management of demand.
One nation, one grid is one of the most significant achievements Indian power sector has made in the recent times. Managing grid with security and reliability in the changing energy landscape is paramount, especially when we are targeting large renewables. This could have been possible when we have a unified grid. Unified grid helps in optimization of resources and leads to reduced cost of power to the consumers.
Grid management has augmented transfer of power within and across the regions, facilitating competitive and efficient wholesale electricity markets, promoting innovation and adoption of latest technology with cyber security.
The national grid has facilitated stable and reliable grid operations. It has paved the way for establishment of a vibrant electricity market, facilitating the transfer of power across regions. It enabled the system operators to optimize the resources.
Today, India is an illuminated nation where electricity is being serviced to farthest corners with the help of flagship schemes such as Saubhagya and Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. And with continuous efforts of the Government of India, every census inhabited village of the country has access to electricity. Power Grid is taking giant strides in transmitting power, improving the ease of living and quality of life. Removal of transmission congestion constraints has contributed in reduction of cost of energy and has paved way for easier adoption of renewable sources of cleaner energy. Power Grid, transmitting power, transforming lives.